Hi friends, it's Liz with Liz Attempts Budgets here today to do a small bill condensing. I know that I have some money that needs to be condensed down, but I don't know exactly how much. So I also have a lot of smaller bills in here we can change out for bigger bills if we needed. So let's go ahead and get started. We have 1, 2, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 400, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and $410. Okay, let's start with my Save Ahead binder. Let me see if I can move you out so you can see everything a bit better. Okay, so let's start with car insurance. 20, 40, 60, 81. So we can switch out for 100 with car insurance. Amazon Prime, there's only a $20 bill in there. Audible, 25. Nope. Maybe that was the only one I had in here that could be changed out. Going to say probably. There's 16 in there. Right, so that one is done. I don't think there's anything in here. No. I think I emptied this one out. I did. Let's see. There might be something in here, but I don't think so. No. This might just be a switcheroo of my change jar, or my penny challenge jar. Let's see about taxes. I don't remember how much is in here. There may not be enough to switch anything out. It's 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 75, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I can switch out of 5. Do 10, 20. Right. 5, 10, 15, 20. Right, so 5, 10, 15, and 20. So there's 20, 40, 60, 80, 95, 96. Is the only thing in that binder. I don't think there's anything in here at all that can be switched out. No. I've not been stuffing these very much because there really isn't anything. I'm not going to stick that back. Well, no, I'll put it like that. There's really nothing left in any of my binders at the moment. It's been a little bit tough. So let's see. I think this is the only thing that has money in it is the envelope for my giving, which I am still planning to do. It's just paused at the moment. So there's 20, 40, 50, 65, 7, There's 50, 70, 90, 100. There's a $50 bill. Right, so 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 120 left in this, and 30 more to go before I can make a donation. All right, so that leaves us, we have a 50 and 100 that we will need to dispose of because I can't use those in my weekly budget. So let's condense down some of the cash in this jar. Let's see what we have. Pull for 20s. I am not going to organize any of this. I am just looking to change those bills out. Oh, there's another 20. Here we go. So we'll do 20, 40, and 50. We will switch out that $50 bill, and it is going to go into here. All right. Okay. So now I've got a $100 bill. See, got a lot of 5s. I apologize if you can hear the noise outside. It sounds like there's a train and a very loud truck all at the same time. Right, so I don't know that this is enough, but we're gonna give it a try. So what do we have? We have 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100. Let's recount that. 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 80, and 100. So we will put that back in the jar. I'm maybe gonna put that in the back. Wow, there. Just so it isn't right center front. It'll give me a nice surprise when I go to count this eventually. If you are wondering what the yellow is on the bottom, I had to borrow from this to pay for a doctor's appointment. So this is just a tally of what I need to still stuff back in here. I think it's like $50. So let's count our money up, make sure there is 400 here. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220, 30, 40, 50, 60, 270, 5, 85, 95, 300, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 400, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 410. That is what I started out with. So we are good to go with my cash stuffing for this pay period. I am going to stuff my wallet first. I'm not going to do that on camera. It's just it is what it is. I'll show you what I have for the second week, and it's the same thing for the first week. So until the next video, thanks for being here. Bye.